Sir, thank you very much for the opportunity to ask you questions tapos about your life, how FBR, your relationship with him. Maalala mo pa ba kung kailan kayo unang nagkatagpo, nagkakilala?
Well, as I cannot say nagkatagpo or what, but finally we met pala before.
Kailan ito?
We didn't know that we met before.
Okay.
And parang we're not twice na we met sometime before.
Okay.
But actually, I remember, finally, after some period, mukhang naka-klase ko ng Japanese Times si Eddie. Ganun na, lala ko. Because hindi pa natin alam kung he will be president or what at that time. So he is just like the ordinary Filipino citizen na nagkasama kami. So ganun lang until later on, mukhang kakong nagkasama kami. Yan, that's how we started doing it. We were together for second year completion high school and whole year of third year.
Anong taon ito, sir? Naalala mo pa ba?
Ha?
Anong taon? What year?
Japanese time eh.
Japanese occupation.
Japanese time lang yun.
Oo. So high school?
Ha?
High school.
Second year high school ako nang magkakuan eh. Magagera. I think he was also because we classmate kami second year completion. Second year completion. Kaklase kami and all subject. Wala pa iko. Solid pa noon ang buwan.
Hindi mo naman merong naalala mo pa ba kung anong klaseng estudyante siya noon?
No, he
naman
was
talaga.
No, I did not have time to be close to him because yung grupo, as I told you kanina, alam mo, yung mga American boy, magkakasama, yung mukhang may kaya. What I mean is, siya mukhang talagang may kaya na nung at that time. Ako naman, sabi ko, probinsyano, so I just dressed so hindi riguro na ako na-attracted din nila.
So may parang nagkakahiwalay
Alam mo, parang wala yung walang attraction sa aming dalawa. Kanya, well, I being a probinsyano, so hindi ka, parang alop ako. I look at him, parang nagkaroon ako ng inferiority complex because being a probinsyano. Parang,
kasi city boy itong
City boy.
Taga Maynila.
Taga Maynila.
So hindi masyadong nagkatagpo yung...
Our culture, well, iba yung probinsyano, tsaka even at the time. Okay.
Kaya hindi mo napansin, masipag ba mag-aral o mahilig ba sa...
Well, I didn't really have a chance to size him up as far as yung mga daily life niya. Hindi ko alam except when he is talking with the group during the break. Because yun lang ang time namin sa break nagkakakita because we don't, I remember, I don't group with him doon sa after school hours or what. Wala kaming social life.
Okay. Bagay po, estudyante, di ba?
Estudyante.
Kailan kayo kailan kayo nag-exchange notes? At doon niyo na-discover na magkaklase pala kayo sa...
No, sometime well,
puro mga na kayo nun?
Nung nagkasama kami, my first time hindi kami, till magkasama kami sa Port Magsaysay. He was a special forces company commander noon. Yung they were preparing to send them padadala sila sa yung company niya, to be sent to Vietnam, to operate doon as a special forces unit.
Vietnam o Korea?
Hindi, Vietnam.
Siwan?
Hindi kami nagkasama sa Sa Korea, 20th siya, ako 14th.
Oo. So pareho kayong nasa...
Yeah, different siya kasi 20th city. I think he stayed Ako'y organic sa 14, so I stayed there for about 13 months ako sa Korea.
Korea.
Siya ata 4 or 5 months. Yung nirotate kasi yung mga hindi organic unit, to rotate lahat ng kami, yung group namin, first graduate kami. So to give us the experience, truly din, war, and like that. Oh.
Doon kayo nagkausap na magkaklase pala kayo nung high school?
Hindi
pa?
ko na, I tell you, honestly, nito lang, hindi, pero we were gone already. I never had, I did not bring it up with him na, till itong last ko sa kanya dito sa opisina.
Dito na?
Dito na!
Sa PEFTOC?
Oo. Manyari yung unit namin hindi kami nagkasama after yung entering there, pagbalik niya rito sa unit. Nung mag-grad, we never had the chance to be assigned in the same unit.
Okay. So hindi kayo nakapag-usap?
Hindi.
Hindi kayo naging Pero class 51 ka, sir?
Wow.
DMA? Okay. Kayo ba yung class na nag-adapt kay FDR?
Hindi, I don't know which you adapt, but all I know, nag-join siya with our class. I don't know who initiated it or what, how that happened, but nang makita ko lang siya, medyo magkakasama na kami. Something like that.
So kailan kayo talaga
magkasama kami nga, nung sabi ko kanina, nung nagkasama kami, medyo nagkaroon ng konting intimacy sa Port Magsaysay.
Port Magsaysay. You remember what year that was, sir?
Nakalimutan ko.
60s na?
Nung magkasama kami, hindi na kami sa Hindi na ako nung magkasama kami, galing na ako sa stage, galing na ako sa Port Max.
Okay. Nag-training kayo, sir?
Nag-training ako noon. Doon lang kami hindi rin kami naging very close. No, I mean, ibang kampo niya. Ako first division, siya, Special Forces, parang guest siya doon sa kampo namin.
Pero Magsaysay pa rin. Stricto ba siya? Hindi lang training officer?
Hindi naman. Very gentlemanly talaga. Yung behavior niya, I think, alam mo naman sa akin yung mga nagkakaroon ng ibang baby, yung naggagaling sa West Point or sa State. Well, alam mo naman, Aero something. Well, alam mo naman. West Point yan tayo ganun medyo may konting colonial mentality pa tayo noon and then American and all of that. So, mayroon siyang stateside, medyo he earned something na higher than maybe today added to this personality that commanded the respect of the people. Ganun automatic sa atin yun yung karakter ng Pilipino. I mean, kung ikaw ay may kaya, you give him the proper respect. Kung ganun.
Ganun? So ano siya? He was...
medyo elite siya Well, you consider him as an elite. I mean,
elite soldier.
Only at the time. Really, respect kaya.
So tinatanaw siya?
Tinatanaw siya talaga. He's respected. He's respected that, alam mo, medyo political, meron ng political, consciousness ang tao at the time. Yan.
You trained together. Nagkasama ba kayo sa Vietnam? Were you also deployed PhilCAG?
Sa PhilCAG kami magkasama
Okay. Kwento mo nga sa akin, kamusta yung samahan ninyo sa PhilCAG? Ayun, talagang kasama na kayo.
Hindi, kasi we started nung inorganize muna yung PhilCAG sa Magsaysay.
Yes.
Then nagkasama na kami sa PhilCAG. So, started, nagkasama kami sa unit. Matagal na rin ako sa First Division. Manyari yung school niya, kami nagsusupport ko nung araw
Yeah.
So, mga relationship, medyo okay na. We were close already when I graduated from his school.
Airborne.
Airborne and jump master. Yun, especially, nauna siya. So I gave him that proper respect lang.
Yeah.
Yun.
Yeah.
He knows more about the whole thing than I am. Di pa ako special forces noon. I graduated from his school.
Okay. So,
Yeah, okay.
senior officer mo. Oo.
But modesty aside, nag-graduate ako naman sa kanya number 1.
Oh.
So, sa jump master course. First class ng jump master. Na kasama niya si Bagno. Well, marami siya yung mga grupo niya.
Yeah.
Oh, so okay naman ako. Number 2 noon ni classmate ko si Binadas, number 3 si Manuel. Manuel sa kwan.
So, ikaw yung valedictorian.
Hindi naman. Hindi naman.
Nung first class.
Hindi, manyari. Talagang at that time, medyo may i-redein ako ng kwan at that time. I have developed some confidence because sa encounter sa 7th BCT, talagang kami yung we get the best the worst assignment sa Army at the time. The 7th was the fighting SBCT at the time.
Talaga. Okay.
Valeriano was the number 1. Basta 7th ka nung araw, medyo may konting paghalang ang tao. Yan, something like that.
Yeah. And then, you were deployed
Sa Vietnam, magkasama kami.
Oo.
At sa pagbidyo, advance party kami.
Oo.
He was G3, I was G4.
So,
Para bang, pagdating namin sa biyahe, G3, medyo na-promote na siya. So, okay yun.
G4.
Yeah.
Okay. Tapos G3, operations?
Operation siya.
Operation.
Ako, managed G4 na ako sa sa Magsaysay at the time. Division G4. Division G4.
Tell me about yung tour of duty ninyong magkasabay
doon
sa Vietnam.
Sa Vietnam.
Medyo mahirap yun. Kasi kahit
supposed
to be civic
we were
action,
given a
pero
sector.
binobomba pa rin kayo.
So siya ang aking boss. Because he is parang senior siya. So he commands everything. So whatever, wala ako kung hindi ako bibigyan niya ng one. I get instructions from him. But again, but I am expected to look around for yung responsibility ko as G4. So, mas importante yung akin because yung mga equipment namin or what, ando ng buhay namin. Without the equipment and all of that, wala kami.
Wala.
So, but he is the one cated yung aming deployment, yung aming, he takes care, may area kami. Operation siya, ako, how to support, manyari logistics, he is supposed to support operation. Yun ang orientation ko na, whatever the operations people say, yun ang aking, ang mga job to support that and make sure that the operation succeeds with the logistical support proper. Hindi, yun ang kunli. Yun ang aking mission.
How long kayo magkasama sa Vietnam?
Sa Vietnam, 2 years
2 years.
2 years.
Tagal. Tagal nung deployment. But ano rin, you saw combat, you saw action there.
Well, hindi. Actually, tayo hindi combat. But again, we were employed like combat because yung artillery namin lang ang... And we secure ourselves.
Yeah.
Manyari, pag naggawa ka ng project sa labas, out, kasama mo yung security .
No.
So, mayroon kaming security mission. Our job mainly is to secure, not... my job is to secure, make sure that we accomplish our project.
Yeah.
Yan, ganyan.
Medical yun no? Medical
Ha?
engineering.
Hindi, ang GDFW ang major project namin doon is one to put up a community.
Okay.
Parang ganito, parang baryo sa ating ba na organize baryo, but you make it self existing na medyo kukuhan mo how the kwan will survive, you give them the livelihood thing, all of that they can survive, put up their own family and all of that. May mga provided daw. Complete. It will be, when it's finished, a complete community. Pinaprovidean una-muna yung mga, siyempre, infrastructure muna will be that. So, then followed by the people that when it is complete, so.
Saan ka na na-assign nun? Magkasabay pa ba kayo ni FBR nun? O
Hindi
siya bumalik? Ikaw, bumalik ka sa Fort Magsaysay?
I think, hindi ko masyadong
Kailan kayo nag-retire, sir? From the military?
I retired on time. Yung at my terminal date of...
So nung bumalik siya sa Philippines after
mga ako na siya, hindi na siya sa
and then naging PC na.
Oo, yung PC. Hindi na siya pero I think...
Nagkikita pa kayo noon?
Ha?
Nagkikita pa ba kayo noon?
Noon
After, hindi na masyado.
Moral, puro head ko, kung Manila area ng kanyang kuwan
Assignment.
Baka, pero ako ay still...
Saka bumalik sa
field
Magsaysay.
pa rin ako
Army. And then you retired in 77 ba?
Na-assign na ako, na-assign na ako sa GAS headquarters.
Okay. Nung naging Pangulo ba siya, tumulong ka ba?
Yeah,
Di ba he reached out sa mga veterans, iba-ibang grupo? Nag-ano ba siya? Tumulong ka ba sa kampanya niya?
Yeah. In fact, si Rene ang ko, si Rene, nag-usap kami because I know he my line sa transportation. Yun, Rene Valencia.
Okay.
Sa kanya ako, yung I tried to help.
Retire ka na.
So I have to look for a job. Look for a job, So fortunately doon, na-sequester nila yung National Steel. So, I found an opening.
Yeah. Operations.
Ha?
Ano yung naging job mo sa National Steel, sir?
Initially, I was assistant to the president.
Okay.
I was in charge of marami akong trabaho I was vice president for logistics, purchasing, security, public relation, office services.
Ang dami. Ano yun, sir? Natulungan ka ni FBR
Security,
doon?
ha?
Si FBR bang nakatulong sa'yo doon para ma-transfer ka doon o hindi naman? Hindi. Okay. It just came as an assignment nung na-sequester yung yung National Steel.
Yeah.
Okay. Pero 70s na yun, sir, ano? Martial law na nun, ano?
Ha?
Martial law na nun.
Martial law na nun. I think on. Because even before okay na ako nung Because marami ako nabagpas. Naging senior pa ako kaysa mga ibang graduate sa akin. So, no, in other words, I was promoted
And then, nag-retire ka sa military and then you stayed na.
Ha?
Doon pa rin sa nasa National Steel ka pa rin.
Yeah. Nung mag-retire ako.
Nagkikita pa kayo ni FBR noon? After you retire?
Hindi, when he was president, nung nabenta na yung National Steel, I think he helped me lang to stay.
Regular ba ang ano? Regular ba kayo magkita?
Nino.
I remember you always see each other when during the Pep Talk anniversary, di ba?
Oh,
Okay. Kailan pa kayo, meron pa bang ibang activities na lagi kayong
wala kaming regular. Yung Perspor. Yung Perspor Association namin. Perspor 51, 52, 53, 54.
yung first four
Yun ang
batches?
yun normally umaten siya.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Laging naka SF uniform.
Oo nga. What do you want people to remember about FBR as a soldier? As a
Well,
person?
okay, as a leader, it's okay. Well, yung one, I think, one ko niya I think he's during his time na the budget of the Philippine government is balanced during his time lang. So far,
Oh.
that's an achievement. I mean, one big achievement. Yun.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yun.
Thank you.
So-
Thank you for sharing.